Okay, this is for anybody that has a Vermont casting Encore. Not the Defiant, just the Encore. I looked on YouTube and I can't find anything about having access to your main vent or the handle. This one here, I thought we had a broken cable, and I'm like, how do we get to that thing? Well, it's in here. You have to open this up. And this plate right here is how you get access to the handle. To get to that, you have to take out a bolt right there. Okay, there's another one right here. There's one that comes down from the top, and that should do it. Now once you have that, it'll be loose, but you can't get it out of there. And the reason is this wedge right here. You have to pop that wedge out, and once you do that, this slides right out and gives you access to the lever, to the spring, and to the cable. There's just a loop on the end of that. Now, if you need to change a cable, you're also going to have to go underneath the stove to where the actual vent is and remove it from there. Then you tie your new cable to that and pull it back up through. Or use a piece of safety wire or piano wire or something like that. All right, I hope this helped.